Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Now today I had another video in mind, but that didn't come through because yeah, we went to look at apartments today, which was very random. Literally got up out of my sleep, all that stuff, and I was like, oh my god. But nonetheless, it turned out well, so let's go.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing go.
Okay.
That your sister have to come back and see, or will be okay with your decision?
We'll go with my decision.
Okay. So you're the decision.
Yeah.
Okay, second room. The first room was that I just showed you. That's the second room. Of course, it's that the water is literally right here, which is kind of cool, but at the same time very scary. Like, it's not that deep. It's not really deep, but still very scary. But it's cool. Nice little view. Ooh, there's a bridge right there. Stuff.
Let out of this little white room.
First bedroom. It's very bright out here though. I like this though. Oh, view out here.
It looks like you have a truck. I don't know.
Oh, the view is nice. Okay. This is another room. Closet. Yeah. That's okay. Shower. No, I'm just showing this whole. The kitchen. I mean, this one is not as upgraded as the other one we just looked at, but the space is good. Like, so much cabinet space. But like, yeah. And this is the other bathroom. They're not upgraded at all. Like, oh my god. But the space. Okay. A little galley kitchen. Oh, I like. Okay. I like the kitchen. It's small, but I like the appliances. Oh, yeah. Okay, Jose, I'm sold. I saw washer and dryers. I'm sold. Inside washer and like. I am sold. Inside washer and dryers. I'm tired of the laundromats. Ooh, okay. I mean, it's not the biggest, but I like it. I need a lot of space. Wish it was central air, but it's not. That's fine. Okay, nice little closet. living room area. I'm guessing this is the other room. Definitely gotta get curtains. Closet. Other bathroom. Little seating area. And OMG! The water. Oh wait, manatees come right here? That's so cool. Yeah. Right? Someone's making some good dinner. Oh, this bathroom is cute. What's in here? Oh. Okay, this is another room. It's a little dark in here, but yeah. Oh, this living room is more Selena's speed. Okay, this room is nice. I wish both rooms are this size. Ooh. Yeah. And the door opens good. Oh, this is a good sized balcony. The view. Wait, is that pool for us?
Yes.
Oh, cool. Yeah. That pool is nice. Right. This is good enough. Yeah, yeah. Oh, well, yeah, you can see a little bit of ocean, but it's still nice. Yeah, is that it? I don't know. But it's a good sized balcony though, like. Okay guys, so a little update. I've been home for a minute. This is actually the next day. A little update on the actual apartment that we chose. Someone else beat us to the punch, so there goes our view. There goes our amazing balcony. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of disappointed, but I guess it wasn't meant to be, so yeah. But pretty much that's where I'm gonna end this video. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.